In my opinion, they should rule that it's unconstitutional, because for the first time in the history of the United States, the government will order every American citizen as a condition of citizenship that they must purchase a product or service because government told them to. That's never before happened in the history of the United States. That takes away a liberty interest of yours, and it takes away a property interest, because government, by ordering you to buy the product or service that they want you to buy, will effectively dictate the price of that product or service. That has profound consequences for every American. So I believe that it is unconstitutional. What the Supreme Court will rule, I don't know. But the Obama administration, which this is their signature piece of legislation, they urged the Supreme Court to take this up and take it up very quickly. So my guess is the Supreme Court is a very small world. My guess is they got some intel that they got 5 votes over there, and they better get this bill before the Supreme Court so they can make their ruling. Now, I oppose Obamacare because I believe this is unconstitutional, and I also am not a fan of socialized medicine. And so I want to repeal Obamacare, and instead what I want to replace it with is the ability for every American to buy any insurance policy they want with no federal requirements and no minimum requirements. Because today there is an insurance monopoly in every state. Iowa has an insurance monopoly, every state does. I want to get rid of those insurance monopolies and let you buy any policy you want anywhere in the United States, pay for it with your own tax-free money, and then have true medical malpractice liability reform. If we do that, that will get to the real issue in healthcare, which is cost, because the costs have been escalating. And President Obama said if we passed Obamacare, that every household would save $2,500 a year. Well, that hasn't happened. As a matter of fact, the costs are going up, and it's really hurting senior citizens, because $500 billion was taken out of Medicare to put into Obamacare, just when senior citizens need that Medicare more than ever. So there's a number of reasons why I oppose Obamacare. Primarily is because I want to have the highest quality health care for the greatest number of people at the cheapest possible price. And to do that, you need a free market healthcare system, and we don't have that today. So that's what I want to be able to do. I mean, just to give you by way of comparison, when I was a little girl in Waterloo, we didn't run to the doctor, as my mother would say when we were little, but when we would go, it cost $5 to go and see the doctor. And when government intervened, and they did in a big way beginning in the mid-1960s, that's when you saw costs escalate. Before government intervened in healthcare, healthcare was something that was within the reach of most families. But because of government intervention, costs have actually skyrocketed. And so I want to address the cost situation and have high quality healthcare. Our oldest son is a physician, and we own 2 healthcare clinics. And I just want to make sure that we have the highest and best possible healthcare that we can have for all Americans.